Welcome back, guys, to our course on Python for data analysis. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the process of installing Python and Anaconda Navigator. These are essential tools for data analysis with Python. So we'll be going through Python installation and also Anaconda Navigator. So let's get started and I show you how to do the installation.
9 to 5 data.
You go to your browser. The first step is to download the latest version of Python from the official website, which is python.org. Python is available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. So I'm using a Windows system, so we are going to download for Windows. So you come to the download section and click on Windows. So when you scroll down, you see different release. What we are going to go for is this latest Python 3 release. So you click on it, and when you scroll down, you should see the download link. So we click on this Windows installer 64-bit and we get it downloaded. So once our download is done, we open the file. So there are two important things you need to do here. Please tick use admin privileges when installing, and also click add Python to path. So let's click on install now. So our download is successful. So the next thing we are going to do is to confirm that we have Python on our system, and we do this by using the command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, you type Python version, and this will show us the installed version of Python that we have. So you have successfully installed Python on your system. We are going to move to the next step now, where we download and install Anaconda Navigator on our PC. Before we download Anaconda Navigator, let me just give us a brief explanation about Anaconda Navigator. It is a convenient platform for managing Python packages and environment. So it's an ideal choice for data analysis projects. To install Anaconda Navigator, we'll go to the website anaconda.com. So when we get to Anaconda Navigator, we'll come to the sidebar and come to the free download. And from here, we'll pick, it has already detected that I'm using a PC, a Windows PC. So if you're using Mac or Linux, so you have to click on this to get additional installer or get support for your system. So once you click on Windows download, it starts downloading. Once the download is complete, let's run the installer. So you click on next and you read the license agreement and you click on I agree. So in this case, you ensure that just for me is ticked. If it is not, you can't tick it. And also if you have other users on your PC and you would like them to have access to Anaconda Navigator, you can also choose all users. But since I'm the only one using this PC, I'll just go with just for me. And you click on next. So it's also important that you add Anaconda Navigator to your path, and It's also important that you click on register an Anaconda as my default Python. If you remember, we already downloaded Python, but it's essential that we should make sure that Anaconda Navigator is ticked as our default Python. So we click on install. So you click next and next again. So let's cancel launch Anaconda Navigator and we'll click on finish. So once we finish the installation, we can launch Anaconda Navigator from the startup menu. We look for all apps, and this is our Anaconda Navigator, and we open it up. So it will prompt you for sign in, so you don't need to do that right now. So Anaconda Navigator provides a user-friendly interface for managing Python environment and for installing packages and for launching Jupyter Notebook, which we'll be using throughout this course. In this video, we have successfully downloaded and installed Python and Anaconda Navigator on your system, which has set the stage for us into the journey of data analysis with Python. So in the next video, I will introduce you to Jupyter Notebook, which is part of the environment here inside Anaconda Navigator, and show you how to get started with your first Python code. See you there.